Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look at the gold market. So you can see gold is trying to follow the common performance on other markets, especially in the euro currency, as it shows best rally among the other currencies. And concerning with the gold market, so overall soap opera concerning stimulus pack, well, it seems coming to logical final. As Pelosi said that she has the positive view that COVID-19 stimulus could be provided as early as the beginning of November, so it means that they will be provided already to the population. But it should be agreed a bit earlier, so it seems that maybe this week, because the last news they should negotiate on this subject yesterday. It's recent. And recently no updates have been released on this subject, but she made the statement yesterday that she has the positive view and probably this stimulus pack will be provided. So this provides medium positive sentiment on the market and keeps the rally, keeps the upward action on the Forex and other assets. On the Bitcoin, as you can see, yesterday also has jumped above the 12,000 level. So gold market is moving the same tendency, but it's a bit slower than other markets. So from that standpoint, here on the daily chart, the crucial moment, the erasing of the bearish pattern. If you remember, bearish pattern has appeared and was actually born by the same Pelosi. She said, here is on Friday, we keep discussion on the stimulus on Monday, so no agreement will be till the elections. And now with the new information, market is moving higher, and potentially, as we know, the background of this pattern with the new information that actually stands contradictive to the reason why market shows the pullback here, this pattern could be erased by the price action. And the breakout of this 1935 area, raising of this pattern will be the crucial moment for the gold. Trend by the MACD indicator stands bullish, overall performance stands bullish, and it means that the major pattern that we have here is the ABCD target stands mostly the same, around 1945-1946 area. It's in agreement with this wide confluence resistance. So breakout of this level is also important because actually this guys is a confluence resistance. So you do not see it on the daily chart, but if you will plot the levels, either from this top or from that top, I'm not just occasionally have marked it with these circles, you will get lower standing 618 levels, and they mostly stand around 1935. So this level will be extremely strong resistance. The market now is challenging and is coming to. So it's really, well, the breakout of this level will be very bullish, and it will not happen occasionally. It tells you that the background for bulls stands really solid, and it's really some inside power on the gold market that's ready to continue upward action. So that's important. So in general, this is really tough point, tough area for the gold. Meantime, those of you who would like to take the long position probably did it yesterday. With our analysis, we said, well, guys, we can't foresee what the next politicians will tell and where they will turn the markets. But from the technical point of view, here's collateral and validation point. If you would like to take the long position, you could try to do this. Because you see the background, you see the patterns in place. Just if you feel comfortable, you're not afraid, not scaring of the possible volatility, and that something will tell something. Somebody will tell something, so you could try. And you can see market is moving gradually higher, so it's not really fast action, very choppy and sloppy, but On the way up, you can see market taking out of this top. Market has broken this trend line. I think that's important, because take a look at really long-term chart. Since August, this trend line resistance was holding here, and market just has broken it up currently. With this upward action, we again could consider, as market is moving higher, we could consider again the possible free drive pattern. So we already talked about, but I'm here just reestablishing the pattern itself. So the first drive, second drive stands 127 extension of the first, and here will be 127 of the second. If you will plot the 1618 extension of the first drive, you will see that it stands very close to each other, and all the stuff creates an agreement with daily resistance, with daily target is OP 1946. So that's the culmination for a short-term setup. Here's bullish divergence stance as well, and that's, by the way, levels that I explained, that I talked about earlier. Let's take a look, 1935, 1937, confidence resistance. So that will be important. Another important thing, that's right around 1930, we have the intermediate target with this upward action. You could see this here minor ABCD with the 1930 OP. And it's also interesting what will happen with this sideways consolidation of this flag. For the bullish performance, it would be nice if market will show the acceleration with the upward breakout out of this consolidation. That will be just great. And it comes with the acceleration to the resistance. That gives more confidence with the background, more confidence with the positive mood on the market. That's just a good thing. That you could keep an eye on. Those who have taken position yesterday, now you could move stops to the break-even and see what will happen. For the additional entry, well, you could consider some probably minor pullbacks here for possible taking the long positions on the gold, but it will be not as good as it was yesterday, because yesterday you could place stops very close to a position. Here it will be more difficult, and especially when market will meet the major resistance levels, pullbacks could be stronger. So it could be a bit tricky moment if you would like to take the position near the resistance level. So, well, it is not impossible, but it's just more complicated. So definitely think that we could say currently we do not see the good chances to go short by far. So no bearish background is forming here. If you have bearish view, you would better to wait either strong resistance, completion of the 1950, or clear signs of the failure of this setup. So for example, if market will reverse down and break the 1880 area again, that will be more bearish signs, or some bearish pattern maybe will be formed here. But currently, no bearish background exists. So let's keep watching what will happen. This market stands on the way, and today keep an eye on this sideways consolidation, where the market will show the upward acceleration and breakout of this level. And in general, keep an eye on the overall price action to control your position.